Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here today. I cannot wait to show you this project that I have going on today in the salon. It is going to be so much fun and just the perfect beachy blonde. We're doing my beautiful friend Callie's hair and I cannot wait to show you. This is my beautiful client Callie's hair. This is her before. So I'm gonna show you how we went from this to this beautiful beachy blonde. I'm using Kenra Professional Blue Powder Lightener, and I wanna make sure that I have my frame art clips and foils all ready to go to start this color. So as you can see, Callie definitely has a decent amount of regrowth here. So what I'm going to be doing is sectioning her off in the front. So I am going to be starting this application in the front. And this is because this is what she wants to see the most. She wants to be really bright in the front and have a nice bright face frame. So during every consultation, I ask my client, what is the most important thing that you want to see? And wherever that may be is where I'm going to start my application. Starting in the front may sound tricky or complicated, but it's actually quite easy because you're starting with the main priority and what your client wants to see. So with this appointment, I know that Callie wants a very bright money piece. So that's really where we're going to focus today, is in those front sections. And then in the back, I'm going to do just a very natural tip out look to connect everything together. So you can see with each foil, we're doing a very fine weave, and this is just to brighten it up and give her max lift. And then when her foils are done processing, I will just pull them out. And if everything else is ready to be done processing, we will rinse it all together, or I will just take a towel and wipe off that lightener so then it stops processing. So with this color, I just want to mimic what the sun would do to Callie's hair naturally. And that is really focusing in those front pieces, because during the summertime, her hair gets super light just being in the sun, going to the beach all day. So that's really what we're trying to create here. So I'm using 20 volume, and you can see I'm just strategically placing those blonde pieces out of the way and continuing to saturate her natural regrowth and just keeping those blonde pieces out of the foil and away from the lightener so we can maintain the integrity of her hair. So I'm just going to continue this pattern of working along her natural hairline, and I'm really going to visualize where I want her blonde pieces to really pop. So I just want to make sure that I am connecting everything together so it all is just a seamless blend and a bright piece in the front, because that is super important to us today, because that is what naturally happens when we are in the sun and spending time at the beach, and that's totally what we're going for in today's color. So now that I have her front sections fully foiled, I did want to add about 4 foils on each side, working with her natural part, and this was just to connect everything together. It was nothing complex, simply just 4 foils. I was visualizing where I wanted those blonde pieces to really pop, to give her still some natural dimension, but brighten her up. And now I am just painting the pieces that have been left out. And this is just to give a very sun-kissed effect and to just enhance the blonde that she already has without over-processing her hair. So I'm going to leave this on until her foils are fully processed and they are ready to be rinsed. Alright, so I'm in the back room now and we're going to my color cabinet. So these are the colors that I use routinely in the salon. So today we're going to be using 9PV and 10V for Callie's color today. And then this is gonna be her toner. For her root mount, we're just gonna go on with 8NA. So this is gonna be our color formula that we go through. So this will be our root mount, and this is our overall toner. So this is prior to our root mount and tone, and I did want to do a little wet balayage, and I combined that with the root mount, rinsed that out, and then now I am applying her overall toner, which was 9PV and 10V. So here is our beautiful end result of Callie's super beachy, surf-inspired blonde. She is nice and refreshed. Her hair is looking so beautiful. We just enhanced her natural color, really focusing on those front money pieces, really popping that face frame, and ultimately just giving her a very nice and beautiful sun-kissed look, so she is ready for summertime. So we just finished up in the salon doing Callie's hair, and she looks like a total beachy surfer girl. We love it so much. We gave her a few wardrobe options, which was super fun, and we also added a little bit of accessories into her hair so we could make it look extra beachy and just add a little bit of spice. And I knew that we would have plenty of time today, and she was totally open to doing a fun shoot afterwards where we had plenty of time to just get some really fun content for you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm so stoked that you were able to see this transformation, and let me know if you have any questions. You can put that in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.